dun, dun, dun. Yeah, enjoy the view. I will show you more. No. Tomatoes. The neighbor is apples. Ah. So they are harvesting. There's so many, and there are more to be in here. Wow. Roses are red, violets are blue. My love for you is very true. This is the Waal. So the Waal means the water irrigation in English, and then it is to water the plants below, the vines, the apple field. So you're gonna throw rubbish here, and you just walk peacefully, and you can have a beautiful garden behind you. Yeah, pig. In Spain, they're selling this famous ham. What is called?
The big pigs.
Yeah, it's the black pig.
The black pigs.
The black pigs. So they only feed this oak for the special taste of the pig in Spain. Yes, I knew it. I watched it. Of course, it's always food. Interesting, no? It's also one of my bucket lists to do that paragliding. Maybe I vomit every time in the sky. Rusty! Really, I was watching it, like they land on the field.
Is there no way to zoom in here?
Yeah, there is.
Oh.
You click the video and then zoom in. Ah, okay. It's in the field. Nice. Yeah, good job. Super. So here is the grip of the Waal. So in terms of watering your field, you just grip and open it. And it goes here, as you can see. We also have a control here down there, and that is the field. You can water your field already. So you have all the controls. This. Oh, this looks so beautiful. But remember the saying, the harvest is not for wanderer. That's for the farmers. Red. Yeah. Wow, it's amazing. No. Granny Smith apples. You see, as you can see, they close it and they open this side, and look. Here. This looks quite really cool, no? They are very smart. So every plant has a balanced water. Really nice.
Now.
Welcome to my castle. That is my home. No, guys, that is a private castle, but you can visit there. Apparently, yes. Let's go there. And this. So he's selling this fresh juice, fresh grape juice. And so good. Yeah! Here is the black apples. Black purple. Black purple. Maroon. That's the perfect color. Maroon. Did we see it in the supermarket? What brand is this? What type? Sorry.
Red delicious.
Delicious.
Both delicious. In German. You hear the bell? This is the valve bell. So apparently there was a guy before, the maintenance guy. If it's like how he hears the bell is he knows that the running of the valve is good. So this is it. Look at that here. So meaning the valve is running very well and very good. That's cool. Very brilliant, no? Very smart. I am a hiker for food, so we found this here. Yeah, for food. It's the view. The hiker for food is here. So we just got our order. We just ordered, and I have cordon bleu. And I'm so excited. And look at the view at the background. Mustard. Nice. This is very fresh potatoes from here.
Oh, I don't think so.
No?
Yeah.
I want to try this one.
Zaszmarny.
so much. Kiwis. Cheese.